Something got in the house. What is it, baby girl?
A bird.
A bird. How are we going to get him out? How are you going to get him out of the house?
I can't.
Am I going to have to do it?
Just take a picture, don't get close. He's a pretty bird. Can we keep him?
Can we keep him? Where are we going to put him?
In a bird cage.
In the bird cage.
Yeah. Please, Poppy. Poppy, please.
Please?
Yes.
Are you asking me to try to get him and put him in the bird cage? Why don't you get him?
No.
Why
I'm
not?
gonna have to poop on my feet.
He's going to poop on your fingers? You're so silly.
I want you to do it, Poppy. You do it.
How am I going to do it?
I can't see him.
Huh?
I can't see him. He's right there, Poppy.
I know.
He's a pretty bird.
He is a pretty bird.